Okay, so welcome back, and now in this video we're going to talk about something called factors. Okay, so if we look at this multiplication problem here, we have 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 6 is the answer, right? This is called the product. Okay, but the two numbers that we're multiplying together are called factors. So 3 here is a factor, and 2 here is also a factor. Okay, so now is 2 and 3 the only factors of 6? The answer is no. There are other factors of 6, right? Because we could take 1 times 6 is equal to 6. So we know that 1 and 6 are also factors. In fact, if we were to list all the factors of 6, it would be exactly 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay, so in fact, that's what I'm going to write here. So if we were to list the factors, it would be 1, 2, 3, and 6. Now what about the factors of 12? So think about this. Factors are numbers that evenly divide this number, right? So 2 divides 6, 3 divides 6, 1 divides 6, and 6 divides 6. So factors can be thought of any number that divides another number evenly. Okay? So for example, what are all of the numbers that can divide 12? Well, obviously 1 is always going to be a factor because 1 divides all numbers. Okay? So 1 divides, what else? 2 divides 12. 3 divides 12. 4 divides 12. Does 5 divide 12? No. Does 6 divide 12? Yes. What about 7? No. 8? No. 9? No. Well, the only other number is 12. Now notice something here. Notice that there's pairs of numbers. Pairs of numbers that will multiply to give us 12. So 1 times 12 equals 12, 2 times 6 equals 12, and 3 times 4 equals 12. Okay? Now what about 30? Well, let's go through the process again. So our factors of 30 would be 1, 2, 3, 4 doesn't divide 12, 5 does, 6 does, 7, 8, and 9 does not, 10 does, 15 does, right? And then 30 is the last one. So let's check this out. Okay, notice the pairs again. 1 times 30 is 30, 2 times 15 is 30, 3 times 10 is 30, and 5 times 6 is 30. Okay. Now what about 36? Well, what are the factors of 36? Well, again, we'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. What else? 9. 12. 24. And 36. Now let's look at these pairs. 1 times 36 is 36. 2 times 24 is 30. Oops, hold on. Oh, I messed up. 18, I'm sorry. This is 18. Okay. So 2 times 18 is 36. 3 times 12 is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. Ooh, well wait a minute, what about the 6? Ah, well 36 is a perfect square. So 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, so if it's a perfect square, then that's the only time we're not going to end up having pairs all the way for everything. right? There'll be a middle number that is a perfect square, okay? Or that can be multiplied by itself. Otherwise, you'll always get pairs of factors that multiply to the given number, okay? And those are factors. Have a great day.